this video we are going to learn how to write the hiragana character sa. Sa is 3 strokes. The first stroke is made with the brush pointing out into the upper left, bringing it up into the right. The second stroke is brought down, and when it intersects with the first stroke, it comes down in the right in a curve. The third stroke is made as if you were connecting it to the second stroke. End the third stroke right where the first and the second stroke intersect, right about in the middle of the character.